Hi, I'm Darren Foote. I am with learntorestore.com, and I have been coming to the REA meetings for probably since the late 1990s. Initially coming as a restoration contractor for many years, and being able to be involved with many of the committees of the REA over the years. As a member of the REA and as a vendor now coming here, it's been a great experience. One of the things I've always loved about our industry is the desire and ability that people have to share. We love to share what we have and how we do things and how we can be successful. And nowhere is that more evident than in REA meetings, when people get together and just have an ability and an opportunity to really share, whether it's in one of the sessions or just out in the hallway, where really a lot of great connections are made. Coming back again as a vendor has been great. It's been a really good show. This is a great place to meet with other like-minded professionals and learn from them. It's a great place to learn from the latest things are available in technology and offerings and services from people who want to support the industry. So been here in a lot of different ways for a lot of different years and very grateful for my membership in the REA.